In today's world, where we're increasingly seeking sustainable and renewable sources of energy, solar panels are an incredibly promising solution. These panels capture the sun's energy and convert it into electricity that you can use in your home. If you opt to have a storage battery installed as part of your system, you can bank the electricity that's generated by the solar panels to use it when the sun's not out. And once the battery's full, any excess energy created can be sold back to the grid. Win-win. If you don't have a battery installed, any energy generated that you don't use can also be sold back to the grid. So you're earning money from your solar panels even when you're out of the house. Solar energy systems are classified as permitted development, which means they don't require specific planning permission, unless you live in a listed building or a conservation area. This means that you can start generating your own renewable energy without any unnecessary hassle. But how exactly do solar panels work? Well, each solar panel consists of numerous individual cells made from layers of semiconducting silicon. This material basically acts as a sponge, soaking up energy from the sun. When light shines on the panels, a flow of electricity is then generated. Interestingly, these cells don't need direct sunlight to work and are capable of generating electricity even on cloudy days. However, the stronger the sunshine, the more electricity is generated. A full solar system is made up of multiple panels, with each panel capable of generating up to 400 watts of energy in strong sunlight. On average, this can provide between 1.2 and 3 kilowatt hours of power each day, depending on your location and the time of year. The most effective position would be to have the panels facing south, but it will also work if you're east or west facing. Now, you may be wondering, are solar panels really worth it? Well, the answer is a resounding yes. By installing solar panels and battery storage at your home, you could save a huge amount on your electricity bills. Not to mention, you'd be reducing your carbon footprint and creating a greater independence from the power grid. So, if you're looking for a sustainable and cost-effective solution to power your home, solar panels might just be the way to go. If you'd like to know more about solar and battery storage systems, get in touch with one of our BOXT experts using the chat function on our website, and we'll be more than happy to help.